here, but I'm pretty sure it's hot all over this globe right now, wherever you're at, unless you're in Antarctica or somewhere, which I doubt anyone is. But anyway, as promised, I said I was going to get some of these saws off the shelf, blow the dust off of them. Some of them we might put in a piece of wood, others we may just do a little bench run, but I'd honestly not had this in a piece of wood since I built it, and honestly did not realize it ran as good as it does. The auto oiler's not working anything like it should. It's about manual oiler only, with oils a little bit, but not doing what it should. I've got some more of these things as parts units. Maybe I can change the oiler out one day and see if we could get the oiler going, but realistically it'd probably get blowed off and sit back on the shelf. You know, they're shelf queens. They're fun to get out and run every now and then. This is a dang good looking saw. If you guys remember, you may not, my great uncle had gave me this saw. It needed a carb kit fuel line to get it running. Got it up and running. Wasn't running well, went into it and found that the cylinder wasn't really scored, but the piston, the skirts of it just looked horrible, where they'd been rubbing like the bottom of the transfers. So I had some parts units here, and we ended up finding a piston that looked better. I reused the same rings so everything would be fair. Done a base gasket delete, done some port work. I think I put finger ports in this thing. I don't even know why, but I think I did. But they're like super short blow down anyway, so finger ports in it were probably useless. But then again, I don't know. She revs pretty dang high and seems to be holding decent RPM in that hickory. This chain, it is probably old as hell. It's got some of the weirdest looking drags I've seen. It's semi-chisel. No, I'm wrong. That's a full chisel chain. But this looks weird, but full chisel chain. It is semi-skip looking at it though, but I put a pretty aggressive grind on it just because of the design of the drags and it being a semi-skip, where it would grab and pull a big chip, but doesn't seem to be slowing it down any at all in that hickory. But there's video on the channel of this where I've done a before and after. Seemed like we picked up, I don't know, 33% or something, and the day I done the retest, the wood was actually frozen as opposed to the initial test it wasn't. But you're not going to get that on every saw. Some of them you'll get more than others, but generally I get somewhere around 30 to 40% gain on a complete build. You know, like I said, some of them's not that great. You'll end up some 15%, 20%. Some saws, especially clamshells, they have them pretty daggone good right out of the gate. But the Homelite Super XL Auto 58cc. She's sitting idle all day. The first cut I made, it was freaking pig rich. I come in, got a tuning screwdriver and leaned it out to where it could pull, and that it does well. But anyway, said I thought I'd shoot a little video, share this with you guys. Y'all have a great day.